our talk show segment. Pulse check with Meg and Tim. As we blend experience and fresh perspectives to bring you inspiration, guidance, and meaningful conversations. Through our PULC check segments, we're here to share insights on finding balance, building a purposeful life, and creating success on your terms. Pulse check, the part of your soul.
Hello, everyone. It's another episode of Pulse Check with Meg and Tin. Anyway, you guys can only see me by myself today. So, unfortunately, Sis Tin has her mommy duties today. But sige lang, hindi natin siya mami-miss tonight kasi andito din siya in spirits. But before we proceed, guys, hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to a space where heart meets purpose. This is a space for real talk on life, nursing, and the digital business world. Join us as we dive into stories, lessons, and tips that bring growth, connection, and success to the forefront of our journey. And kahit na wala si Tin sa atin, go pa rin tayo ng go na pagtagumpayan natin yung episode natin today. At ito guys, surprise ko sa inyo.
Whether you are in healthcare, chasing new goals, or ready to level up your digital business, this segment is for you. Tune in for a dose of inspiration, purpose, and practical steps to thrive in every area of your life.
O, diba? Napagtagumpayan din yung welcome ni Tin. Anyway, Tin, thank you for that. So, welcome everyone to another episode of Pulse Check with Meg and Tin. Anyway, highway. So this is our Thanksgiving episode with the Team Visionaries tonight. And I hope you guys will have some fun at saka inspirasyon at motivation sa aming show tonight. Okay? So because it's our Thanksgiving episode, guys, bakit ang daming S ko? Episode, meron tayong ngayon, pa teacher effect si Meg ngayon because it's Thanksgiving. So, I will have to give you some, yung parang teaching opportunity ni Meg ngayon. So, you guys can learn from this episode kahit konti lang about Thanksgiving. So, hopefully na you will learn something, okay? So, guys, Thanksgiving is a national holiday celebrated primarily in the US. Ang Canada, meron din sila, but I'll just focus on the United States right now. So, it's centered around giving thanks and sharing a meal with family and friends. So, yung Thanksgiving, it traces back, merong history yan. It traces back to its roots back in 1621 when the Pilgrims and the Native Americans shared a harvest feast sa Plymouth ba yun or Plymouth, Massachusetts. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung proper no. But anyway, President Abraham Lincoln declared it a national holiday in 1863, guys, to be celebrated on the last Thursday of November. Tapos, it was later moved to the fourth Thursday of November under President Franklin D. Roosevelt in 1941. So, anyway, kung Thanksgiving naman ito sa US, alam nyo naman na pag Thanksgiving, 'di ba, meron it's really a big celebration, right? So what comes with the celebration? Meron tayong turkey. So turkey is usually roasted at saka served with gravy, right? Tapos may stuffing, 'di ba? Everyone I think ano naman kayo parang familiar naman sa inyo yung stuffing, di ba? Yung bread mixture. Tapos, it's either they put it inside the turkey or they just serve it beside the turkey or outside. Meron tayong mashed potatoes with gravy, cranberry sauce, Tsaka hindi nawawala yung sweet potatoes or yam. At tsaka green bean casserole and pumpkin pie and other desserts like apple pie or pecan pie. Ang sarap nun, di ba? Anyway, guys, lagay nyo sa comment down below kung anong gusto nyo kainin ngayong Thanksgiving na dessert. Pero because gusto ko sana tanungin si Tin kung meron siyang na-research about Thanksgiving. Pero kasi wala siya, then I just have to, have her say something about kung meron siyang na-research na information about Thanksgiving. Okay? Ito.
I did my research about Thanksgiving, kaya marami talaga tayong natututunan sa ating talk show. So I've read that usual traditions during Thanksgiving are number one, family gatherings. Thanksgiving is synonymous with large family gatherings where people come together to share a meal and express gratitude for the past year. Parades. There are many cities, most famously New York. They host grand Thanksgiving Day parades with floats, balloons, and performances. And lastly is there is a cultural significance. Thanksgiving emphasizes themes of gratitude, community, and the celebration of blessings. And while it is a time of festivity, it also serves as a reminder of the complex history between the European settlers and the Native American tribes. And some communities use the day as a time for reflection and education on indigenous history. Is there anything else, Ate Meg, that you want to add?
Ay, grabe talaga, no? Anyway, Tin, I have an addition to that. Usually kasi, salamat naman sa pa-research mo. Sana meron naman silang natututunan sa atin about Thanksgiving. So, ang ma-add ko lang talaga is, usually, Tin, I'm not sure if you have Thanksgiving celebration in Australia. But anyway, dito sa United States, usually it's big talaga. The day after Thanksgiving, it's a big, shopping day for everyone. It's Black Friday. The day after Thanksgiving has become associated with shopping sales and marks the start of the holiday shopping season dito sa United States. And then, anyway, overall talaga, Thanksgiving is a cherished holiday that blends other than my history tayo, tsaka meron din tayong mga apart from the history, it also focuses on gratitude and togetherness, especially sa family. So, yun lang yung madagdag ko sa mga research mo, Tin, other than the first few information that I have shared with everyone. So, thank you very much to all our viewers, sa lahat ng mga Team Visionaires. Salamat. And then, Sis Gracie, Sis Geraldine. Oh, Sis Grace Flores, present kaday. Anyway, thank you, Sis Grace, for being here with us tonight. And I hope that you enjoy our pa-Thanksgiving episode. Saan ka na ba ngayon? I don't know where you are right now. Yan yung jet setter natin na business partner. Oh, para sana all, no? Diba? Anyway, so yun. After the day after Thanksgiving, it's a big shopping holiday dito. Kaya na-enjoy talaga lahat. Yung very, very tawag nito, grabe talaga ang sale. Oh, di ba? Oh, cruising to Tasmania. Oh, wow. Anyway, so ang sunod natin because it's Thanksgiving. So ano na naman yung ano ba yung dapat nating pa-thankful for life and business. So, because ako lang mag-isa dito and Tin is not here, kailangan ko talagang mapagtagumpayan lahat, right? Anyway, ito yon. Sabi ni Tin.
Before we welcome our guests tonight. This is such a special time to reflect on all the blessings in our lives. And so let's take a moment to share what we are especially thankful for this year. And I will start. First, I'm beyond grateful for my parents and siblings. You've always been my foundation and my strength, no matter how far apart we might be. Ma and Pa, your sacrifices have given us so much, and my gratitude grows each day. To my siblings, thank you for all the love, the laughter, and memories we continue to create, and I'm so lucky to have each of you. I'm also deeply thankful to you, my husband, who've been my partner in every sense, my support, my joy, and my teammate in this journey. Thank you for the support and for making me feel understood and appreciated every day. And to my beautiful children, Aizen and Kiana, you are my greatest joy and inspiration. Watching you grow, laugh, and learn is my biggest blessing. And you teach me the true meaning of love. And I'm so thankful for every precious moment we share. And I'm also thankful for my job as a nurse. It may be challenging at times, but every day I get to make a difference, and that's something I really cherish. And nursing has taught me resilience, compassion, and the importance of community. And I'm honored to be part of such a meaningful profession. And lastly, I want to give thanks for my business and the incredible community surrounding it. Starting this business has allowed me to dream bigger and connect with some of the most inspiring people from all around the world. To my team, my mentors, and my business partners, Ate Meg, Ate Lane, thank you for believing in me and for sharing this journey. You're helping me make my dreams a reality.
Oh, thank you, Tin. I'm grateful for you as well. So, bago naman natin i-present at i-welcome yung ating mga visionaries. Excited na ako makita yung mga faces nila, guys. But anyway, I'm one thankful person as well this Thanksgiving. I'm reminded of how much I have to be grateful for. So first and foremost, my family, my greatest source of joy talaga, no? Love, joy, and strength, including my siblings, kasi mom and dad are not here anymore. So my family, sila talaga. And they're my foundation and the reason I strive to be better every single day. Bakit na-emo ako? Oh my gosh. Anyway, so I'm also thankful for my health. 'Di ba? Health is wealth. So health allows me to care for others and then chase my dreams and of course to live life to the fullest. Tapos, I'm deeply grateful for this business. So I'm still a full-time nurse. I'm doing this digital business as a side hustle, but this digital business has brought incredible growth at saka meaningful connections talaga with all of our business partners all around the globe and the chance to build something that I'm really truly proud of. And I'm also especially thankful for my collaboration with Tin. Tin, kahit nawala ka dito, my amazing business partner and co-host in our Pulse Check segment, Tin, your passion, creativity, and shared vision make this journey so meaningful. So as I reflect, sa lahat ng mga blessings, I'm filled with gratitude for all the opportunities and support that have come my way. At saka lahat-lahat kayo, I wish you and all your loved ones a Thanksgiving filled with love, laughter, and gratitude. Kaya guys, lagay nyo sa comments below what are you most thankful for this year. Okay? Para naman mabasa namin ni Tin. Okay? Alright, ito na yata yung pinaka-aantay nating lahat. I-introduce yung ating mga guest, which excited na rin ako, no? But anyway, may pa-surprise ako sa lahat. Team Visionaries.
Welcome to The Visionaires, a global team on a mission to lift each other up and create a future filled with freedom and success in the digital business world. Our purpose is to inspire, connect, and empower as we work together to turn our dreams into reality. At the helm of our team is Elaine from Texas, whose visionary leadership sparked the creation of this incredible community. She imagined a team rooted in care, collaboration, and a shared vision for success. And together, we've brought that dream to life. At the heart of the Visionaires is our powerful symbol, an eye. This eye represents our vision, focus, and forward-thinking approach to everything we do. Inside the eye, a small heart reminds us of the care, passion, and support we share in each other's journeys. And woven through it all is a smile, because joy and positivity are at the core of our mission. Together, we see the future with clarity, driven by our passion and an unwavering commitment to helping each other thrive. Representing Texas, our leaders Elaine and Coach Gemma, together with Grazi and Sophia, inspire us with their vision, resilience, and belief in the power of collaboration. From Florida, Meg is the perfect blend of inspiration, creativity, and positivity, always spreading joy and supporting the team. And from the beautiful islands of Hawaii, Geraldine brings a calm strength and a joyful spirit, dedicated to helping others succeed. From the Philippines, our amazing members, May, Chill, Rommel, Elsie, Edith, Dem, Sheila, and Juvi, who embody our mission, always lifting others and creating new opportunities for success. Down in Australia, Christine is an inspiring force, driven, compassionate, and a true believer in the power of community. From Singapore, Anne is dedicated to success and ready to show the world her incredible potential. As the Visionaires, we are more than just a team. We are a community fueled by passion, care, and a shared vision for the future. Together, under Elaine's leadership, we have the clarity, support, and drive to achieve greatness, because we know that by lifting each other up, we all rise. Let's make our dreams a reality together.
Diba? Welcome to Visionaires on the stage tonight, everyone. I am so one proud visionaire here by heart. Anyway, so welcome Miss E, Sis Sheila from the Philippines, Mrs. from Texas, Aloha G, Sis G from Hawaii, Sis Juvie, the Juvenes from the Philippines, Sis Gracie is from Texas as well. Unfortunately, hindi namin mafi-fit lahat sa isang frame ang Visionaires, but lahat sila are here in spirits with us tonight. But anyway, guys, tingnan nga natin kung sino pa ang nanonood sa atin. Si Shirley, thank you for watching. Sis Gracie, Sis Jen, thank you for watching. And sino pa ba? All right. So enjoy lang kayo sa show, okay? And then Sis Jennifer is here as well. And I'm gonna give this chance to our Team Visionaires. Say something naman, kahit one word. Mag-good evening naman kayo. Sa ating mga 5 million viewers ba tayo? Ilang million viewers ba tayo nanonood ngayon? Anyway, go ahead guys. Miss E.
Hello, everybody. I'm so proud. I love the video. Grabe, as in, yeah, that was fabulous. So I'm really proud lead mentor of the Visionaries team, and I can't be prouder enough. So, yeah.
All right, Sis Je, say something and say hi to all our viewers. Global tayo.
Unmute yourselves, guys.
Unmute yourself.
All right. Aloha. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching in this beautiful world or universe. Sis Aloha G. And I'm so grateful to be in this team Visionaries lead by our mentor, Miss E or Sis Elaine. So thanks, Sis Meg. That's awesome. What surprise. It's excellent. It's the intro
It's
that
a
we love.
collab. It's a collab. Ganun talaga pag two minds work together, ano
Awesome,
talaga,
awesome.
merong
Great job.
mararating.
Even
Sis
behind the
Sheila, kumusta?
Hello, kumusta po sa lahat? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone, and happy Thanksgiving po sa inyo dyan. And
Thank you.
sobrang ganda po ng video, nakaka-proud maging part ng Team Visionaries. Kaya sa mga nanonood dyan, come and join us na. You're going to be part of a very, very awesome team. Sobrang amazing. Thank you po for having us here.
Of course, of course. And Sis Gracie.
Hello, blessed Sunday to each and everyone. And I am so proud and so happy to be part of the Visionaries. And it's a really good presentation for giving all of us a great opportunity to be seen in your tawag na to, sa video. So thank you so much and God bless us more. Happy
Of
Thanksgiving to each and
course.
everyone.
Thank you. Of course. Na-miss ko nga si Sistine eh. Ay, gusto ko sana andito siya but unfortunately, ganun talaga sa life. We have to be able to move forward. My plan A, my plan B. Kagaya din
So
ng
must
digital
go on.
business natin. Meron tayong plan B kung gusto nyo guys ng
course.
digital business. You can always check it out. And Sis Juvie, kumusta ka?
Hello po, good morning. Di ko naman alam na kasali ako sa
Visionaries ka
Hello.
naman.
Visionaries.
Missionary tayo, ate.
Visionaries tayo. Of course. Surprise ka.
Opo.
Ah,
Good morning sa amin, sa inyo. Good evening.
Good evening.
Happy Thanksgiving sa inyo. Sana nandyan din kami para kasali.
Oo
I know,
naman.
right?
Oo naman. We are
Spirit.
Celebration.
yeah, we are
Matikman yan.
celebrating the Visionaries.
Matikman yung mga handa nyo sa Thanksgiving nyo. Salamat
Thursday.
po. Salamat.
Picturean
team.
namin, sis.
Salamat po sa Team Visionaries. Sobrang napaka-generous. Kumbaga, isang text lang, isang message away lang, nandyan na agad. Salamat po sa lahat ng tulong. Tsaka, sobrang thank you kasi nandito ako sa group natin. Thank you so much.
Of course. You're more than welcome. And alam nyo naman, sa Pulse Check with Meg and Tin, meron tayong pulse check questions. Ready nyo ba yung paper ninyo at saka yung pen?
Alright.
Ha? Na-ready nyo na ba?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
po.
ma'am.
Kasi nagdugdug ba yung heart niyo?
Grabing heartbeat.
Pakita ko nga pakita ko nga si Sis Lane. Alright. Anyway, thank you to our, nakikita ko is 5 million viewers ba tayo? Thank you wherever you are, whoever you are. Comment lang kayo down below. Anyway, parang nawawala yata si Juvie. Ayan. Kung ready na kayo sa mga papel ninyo at saka sa mga pasulat, pulse check na tayo, okay?
Yes.
Number 1 question. Ready? Pumpkin pie or apple pie? Hindi ko makita. Apple pie for Sis Lane. Sheila is
Ilayo mo konti. Ilayo mo konti. Ilayo. Yan.
Sheila is apple pie. Sis Geraldine is apple pie. Sis Juvie is kailangan ko yata ng telescope. Sis Juvie.
Apple pie, ang liit ng sulat ko pala. Sorry naman. Apple pie yan. Apple pie.
Malakahan mo dyan, Sis Juvie.
Saka si Sis Grace.
Sis Juby,
Akala ko
Also,
Sis Juby, wala tayo
4-5.
sa classroom.
Akala ko nasa classroom. Ako, ano ba yan? Sorry naman. Lakihan ko na. Ganito.
Namuhan tayo
Sunod.
And Sis Gracie is also apple
Ayun
pie,
na.
right? Oh, very good ka dyan. All right. So, so hindi ko alam kung tawag nito, kung applicable ito sa Pilipinas. What's your favorite Thanksgiving side dish? Sa mga taga-US na lang.
Explain sa side dish. explain sa side dish.
Yung dish na malaki, yung side.
Magpapili ka na lang. Kagaya
Okay,
ng ano.
side dish.
Kasi baka ang isagot namin toyo. Suka.
Suka at toyo. Sa
sino mo?
turkey.
Ano yung nilagay mo? Atsara!
Tama.
Ano yun?
Tama. Tama.
Thank you to our 8 million viewers. So, ano ba? Green beans? Or ano ba bang iba?
Steamed
Sweet
din.
potato.
Green beans or cranberry
Green
minatamis.
Oh, yun. Okay, mashed potato, broccoli, cauliflower, sis grass, hindi ko makita.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato. Okay. All right.
Potato in general.
Ang nanalo si Juby at Sarah.
Good job,
Sinalitan ko
Job.
na.
I like that
Sinalitan ko
too.
na.
Chara.
I like that. I like that.
Yeah.
Ano
I
kayo?
like Chara.
At Sarah.
Yes. Nasa
Good job.
Pilipinas siya eh. O kayo kaya.
Okay, go.
So, who does
Dito sa
the
Pinas.
cooking in your family?
Di ba, pag
Ha?
nag-lechon ka, side dish mo, atsara.
Oo. So, sino nagluluto sa family? Who does the cooking in your family?
Ay.
Husband, si Sis Elaine, Eric, si Sis Gracie, si Sis Sheila, hindi ko mabasa.
Slant po konti, slant. Slant
Slant.
yun ng konti.
Si Aloha G Foodland. Si Sheila siya daw. Si Sis Juvie, me. Okay, anyway.
Kasi ano na lang, bili na lang ng isang set.
Alright. Name a food that you must have on Thanksgiving.
Ano?
Sandali. Ay, 60 seconds pala ito, sandali.
Dug. Name a food that you can have that you must have on Thanksgiving.
Turkey.
Must?
Steak, egg
We always
pie,
do steak.
kahit ano, rice daw. Rice is life. Kasi si Sheila,
Sorry. Ito talaga gusto namin.
ano yon? Chop suey. Si Sis Ju, parang ang dami yata ng i-prepare mo, Sis Juvie. Isa lang.
Lechon.
Lechon.
Tama,
Very good.
lechon. Sabi ko na.
Oh.
Kailangan vegetable.
All right. Sweet potatoes with marshmallows or without?
Wait, what? Sweet potato with marshmallow or without?
Without.
Without.
With
O parang
No.
nag silang lahat.
Without.
Nag-iisip
like.
ako with or without.
Ano ba yan?
Oh, without. Okay. Anyway, would you rather cook the meal or clean up afterwards?
Ha?
Pwede design. Meron kasing design, cook, and then clean.
Yeah, kasi ako ang sa clean up.
The event planner.
Si Eric
Oh,
luto, si Elaine ang design, ako
Okay.
clean up.
Design the
Clean
table
up,
ako
cook si Sis Je, cook si Sis Sheila. Si Sis Juvie, ano yan? Clean up or cook?
Cook.
Design.
Yeah,
Ayaw
I
ka
do the
mag-inis.
design.
Nakakapagod.
Yeah.
I usually do the parang garnish or like
So here's the house, Eric
Yeah,
cook,
yeah.
Elaine do the design, and I clean up.
Si clean up. Okay. Pangit na ngayon.
What a team was.
All right. What's your or describe Thanksgiving in one word?
Thanksgiving.
In one word. Describe.
Dali. Dali lang.
What?
God, Miss E, Aloha G, gratefulness is Grazi,
One
and
word lang, guys.
one word lang ha.
Yeah, bless you.
Bless daw kay Juvie.
Bless kay Juvie. Okay, kay si Sheila. Oh my gosh! I just want to give a shout out to Sis May is in the
Hi, May.
house. Glad to see all you
Oh,
guys.
family
are
daw ang kay
here.
ano.
Family
She's
for
very
Sis Sheila.
busy. So, Sis
Yeah.
May, they're both engineers in the Philippines. I just want to shout out. As much as she wanted to, she's actually having a meeting with big companies right now. But because we
Right.
are in the digital business, it's running in the background. Thank you, Sis May, for dropping by.
Thank
Love you.
Thank you.
Thank
We
you to
miss
our
you,
9 million
but
viewers, whoever you are, guys. Thank you for tuning in to Pulse Check with Meg and Tin. All right, move on tayo, guys. Name one family member who always makes you laugh.
Laugh or smile or something.
Yeah. Sino yon? Sam? All right.
Aww.
Sis Juvie? Sino yon?
Si Julian. Yung anak kong babae.
Julian? Oh, Sharon for Sis Sheila. Sharon is your little kiddo. Unmute yourself, Sis Sheila.
Ate ko po.
Ate, oh, by self daw, sabi ni Sis J. Tsaka si Sis Gracie is, of course, Sammy. Oh, that's nice. Thank you, Sis May. Ingat. Love you too. Miss you too.
we love
We'll
you
see
and
you
miss you.
soon. All right. Thank you sa 9 million viewers natin wherever you are in the world, guys. Hindi ko makita unless otherwise na mag-comment kayo down below. And then, ano pa ba? What are you most thankful for this year?
Oh.
Sandali, parang ang dami. One word lang ba yun?
Sis Ruthie is here, guys. Thank you for watching, Sis Ruthie. Love, guys, watching here. Sabi niya. Ano sa'yo, Sis Juby? Basahin mo nga.
Business and family.
Yeah. That's nice. Oh, parang isang libro yata kay Miss E.
It's so hard.
Unexpected blessings. All right. And kay si Sheila Business. Sige guys, lagay kayo ng answer kasi may follow-up
Sagot
question
din yung
yan.
ano sis, magsagot sana din yung mga kung gusto nila, yung mga viewers, di ba?
Yeah, viewers, what are you thankful for this Thanksgiving or this 2024? Loved ones who always there for me. Okay. Very good ka dyan. Family, good health, business. Very good. Kay Sis Gracie. Alright, hindi mo ba natatapos, Miss E?
Tapos
Kasi
na.
kung hindi mo siya tapusin, didiretso na lang tayo sa question na na at least para malaman naman ng
Sandali. Sorry. Hindi ko tapusin ang what.
Ano yung answer mo? Ay, tapos na pala. Unexpected.
Kaya pala I have to say something kasi alam ko tapos na ako nag-answer.
Medyo golden years na ba ako?
Yes.
Nakakalimutan. Ganyan talaga, guys. Pag ikaw lang mag-isa, kayanin mo talaga kasi, di ba, meron kang mga view dito, view doon. So, kailangan yung brain mo is, half dito, half doon. Kaya, ipipick upin nyo rin, ha, para naman hindi mawawala si Ate Meg ninyo. Anyway, thank you guys again for our 7 million viewers. Thanks for being with us. And thank you sa lahat ng answer ninyo sa ating ano yon?
Pulse check.
Pulse check questions. Okay. So because I love my team, my Visionaires team, I love to be with my, ano ito parang family talaga ito yung Visionaires. So, gusto ko before we move forward sa kung ano mang gagawin ni Meg and Chin sa program, sa segment na to, I wanna hear from you guys. Kahit konti lang, what are you thankful for in life and business? Tagalogin nyo, whatever, basta galing sa puso ninyo. And if you can just share it to everyone sa buong mundo tayo, guys. We are global. We have international reach. Kaya wag mahiya. Kailangan ibandera yung ating flag, the Visionaries. So, what are you thankful for this 2024 in life and in business?
Una si kasi prepared si Juvie.
Si Juvie. I think prepared si Juvie.
Teka lang. Grabe sila.
I-summarize mo lang siya, sis Juvie.
Yun,
Yun,
yung
wala
sa
pa nga
una,
yun.
sa family, kasi syempre, sa work ko kasi, kasama ko rin sila. So, kumbaga, sobrang thankful ko sa amo ko kasi kasama ko sila lahat. So, wala na akong pupuntahan. Kundi eto lang. Kasi nga, nandito din sila. Tsaka sa always, dahil nandito sila, nakikita ko na pati health nila, okay kami lahat, ganyan. Tapos kung kailan namin gustong lumabas or ganyan, kasama ko sila. And then, the second one is yung business. Kasi itong business, parang nakita ko to siya siguro 2 years ago. Parang pandemic time. Tapos wala lang. Tapos parang naalala ko ulit. Tapos bumalik ulit. Nawala ulit siya. Tapos bumalik ulit. Hanggang sa this year, talagang na siya. Naging business partner na ako. Na sure na.
Ay, kagaling naman yan. What about
2 years in the making?
2 years? Grabe. Yun yung tinatawag na there's always a season and a reason for everything, right? So, minsan, antay talaga tayo ng tamang panahon. Minsan, meron din na, you have to get out of your comfort zone. You have to, it's the leap of faith. Pero sa'yo naman ang nangyari is you waited for the right, season. Kaya, parang may fulfillment din sa'yo because nakapag-muni-muni ka, nakapag-isip ka, and then you eventually, jump in to join the business. So that's really good. What about sis Sheila? Parang daming S noon. Parang tongue twister.
Bigla ako kinabahan bigla. Ayun po. Ako po, I'm so immensely grateful po talaga. Syempre, kay God, ever since naman po. Dahil for this year, talagang sobrang grateful ko na nakapag-business ako. Nakapag-join ako dito sa business dahil syempre, hindi na, for the past years, like 7 to 8 years, hindi ako nag-work sa corporate. Pero, I'm doing, yung kung ano yung pwede kong magawa dito as a mom, kasi I am, a stay-at-home mom. So, yun, nagbe-bake, nagluluto, kung ano-anong mga masasabi mong small business, ganyan. Pero, I'm really, really grateful kasi, binigay ni Lord tong business na to as a gift. And ginamit niya talaga kasi nakita hindi ito basta po nakita ko lang, talagang naghanap ako, nag-research ako, and so ito yung binigay ni Lord, and honestly hindi ko siya talaga agad nagawa. Pero meron pa rin naging way kasi may ginamit pa rin si God para makuha ko yung business, para ma-pursue ko siya. So, sobrang grateful po kasi, ayun nga, kay God, sobrang grateful ako kasi this will not happen kung hindi dahil sa Kanya.
Mhm.
And sa family ko kasi talagang everyday naman talaga I'm grateful for them. And they are the reason kung ba't ako nandito, ba't ako nagbi-business nitong digital business natin kasi I really see it na talagang ito lang yung way para makuha namin yung para mabigay ko sa family ko kasi
Mhm.
through this business I know that I can give back especially to my parents. Dahil yun talaga yung number one why ko because they're not getting any younger and if I will work maybe it will take me so long para makapag-give back sa kanila. But with this, I am very confident na magagawa ko pa yon. And yung mga anak ko maliliit pa eh. Pero
Oo.
yung parents ko kasi they're not getting any younger. So I have to be
Mhm.
moving fast para
Right.
mabalik ko sa kanila yung gratitude ko, yung kung ano man yung pwede kong magawa. So for this year, I'm really, really grateful for the Lord giving this business to me. So yun po. And also yung family ko kasi everyday naman and friends, grateful
Mhm.
ako for that. Yun po. Sa
That's
akin.
very nice because if you're always grateful having your family at saka yun naman yung ano natin yung dream sa buhay is to make our usually parents talaga no pag Pinoy you always go back to like giving them like the most comfortable life that they deserve. So with this business pwede naman talagang ma-fulfill yon, right? So along with your other whys, pero always talaga yung biggest why mo talaga is family, di ba? So why not join the business na ma-fulfill mo lahat and then you have a life that you can come on your own terms, di ba? So magandang gratefulness yun, Sheila. And then on to Sis Gracie naman tayo. Ano
Wala
life
siya.
and business.
Umalis.
What are you thankful for? Umalis siya.
Apparition lang ito, hindi siya. Umalis siya. Nahiya. Just kidding.
Nahiya.
Okay. What I'm grateful for this year is always the same thing. Because I don't know, everybody knows that I'm a single blessedness. Uh, uh,
Person.
ano ba? Basta yun. Yun na yun. And I just wanna thank, ano ba, siyempre ang aking special mention ko, walang selosan, walang siyempre ang Texas family kasi nandito ako, walang renta. So, blessed yun. So, I'm grateful for that, di ba? So, walang yan na.
Talagang sa world, no?
Ano ko yan siya. But I'm really blessed to have my family. Wala na kaming parents and emotional. Sabi ko nga, wala si Gracie dito kasi ayaw ko maging emotional. But I wanna thank, yun na, siblings, of course, kasi sila na yung strength. Kasi wala ng parents. Ba yan?
Alam mo naman yun.
Kaya ko to. Special
Kaya mo yan.
mention to my our eldest, Ate Meg.
Akala ko, kailangan sabihin mo talaga kasi mahirap.
Si Ate Meg kasi she's always finding a way to make us solid. That's why kahit may mga pasaway man ako minsan, pero still Ate Meg keeps us yung togetherness as solid go siblings. So I'm so grateful and thankful for that. Sabi ko nga, hindi ako iiyak, pero hindi. Salamat, At Sheila. Thank you for the tissue. Appreciate that. Thank you for that too. And of course, my digital family who's been there, a great community that extending each and everyone their hands to be part of the family as a second family too, na nakakapagbigay ng mga encouragement and inspiration, and yung extended na family. So yung family namin is extended pa talaga yung business. So this business will just gonna give you not just a business alone, but also a great community, a great people with great minds, and also I'm grateful for this business kasi kahit paano mas natutulungan ako to boast myself. Medyo introvert ko no ako, but I don't know if you guys will gonna believe that an introvert person na hindi ako mahiyain ko no ako. Mahiyain ka no. But I'm just wanna say that I'm so grateful for my job, of course. For now, I'm grateful for my job kasi kahit paano nakaka-sustain ng mga this job, ang job nakaka-sustain pa din. And of course, for now, this business, I also grateful to have this business because I know this business will gonna lead me into a better life, which I can also spread ang mga tulong kahit paano, so I can help more. Pero wag niyo muna akong utangan, guys, if you hear this. Magiging financially stable tayo and everything. I know I'm helping already some people. I'm sharing the blessings that I can as much as I can, pero wag niyo akong utangan masyado muna kasi uh, worldwide pa naman tayo, aabot ito kung saan. And they know that we are flexing our income with the S sign. So automatic yun kino-convert nila. So yes guys, but you have to earn it too. We can share but not that much, but we are willing to, and we are sharing this business para ma-inspire din kayo. So the next time you can also share na kung anong meron kayo. So I am really just being grateful for my health as well. And yeah, yun, family and work, business, and of course God. That's what I'm still grateful for. And to you, my business partners, my sister and business partner, thank you so much for being in the visionaries. And we are here to welcome you guys, kung sino man yung willing to be with the visionary team. You are much welcome. Dalawang kamay kasama paa, welcome kayo. So just register. All right.
Ay, kaganda naman ang message na yon. So, in anything, in anything talaga, you are so right, Sis Gracie. Kailangan natin ma-share yung blessings natin sa buhay. No, that's one thing because we are great. Our grandma, yung kapatid ng lola namin just turned 89. Happy birthday, Lola Ading!
Happy
You are our
birthday.
inspiration in life. Yun yung sabi niya when Sis Gracie said something about sharing the blessings. Yun yung sinabi niya kasi she was the person who helped me come over to the United States. So one thing talaga na sinabi niya sa akin is, you share. If I was able to share the blessing to you, what you can do is share the blessing to others. Parang it's a circle. It's a circle of life. So circle yung life. So circle yung blessing. So pag circle, hindi siya nawawala, right? So you continue to share your
In
blessings to others.
infinity.
That person will also share the blessings, and parang domino effect, no? 'Di ba? So ang ganda nun. So anyway, guys, the next would be Miss Aloha G. Ano na naman yung gratefulness mo and gratefulness mo in life and business?
All right. It's a lot. Pero sabi mo, ano na lang, concise na lang. First, I would like to thank God for giving me this life, and to my parents, mamang and pampang, although na wala na sila, but uh, I am not Aloha G now or Geraldine, not because of them. And for this year, I would like to thank our elder sister for jumping in as our mom and dad. You know, it's not that easy, that kind of responsibilities, though we said that we have our own families, but she is there like a 24-hour sister, like a mom and dad who support us all the way. Hey, napapayak ako. Iba pala talaga. So, this is from the bottom of my heart na it's not that easy that we haven't expected mom and dad gone too soon, but you know, you keep us, your siblings, Ate Meg, grounded in a way na intact tayo. Not, I'm not talking to, or something na lahat, but it is a very, very, na family na makikita mo na talagang solid nga. Kaya we have that hashtag, solid go siblings. We thank you for that, for Ate Meg. And also, I would like to thank you, my siblings, for always being there for me, no matter what, in good times and bad times. Nandyan sila parati sa akin. I'm really thankful for that one. To my children too, I'm thankful. And because of my sibs, Miss E and Ate Meg, I have the opportunity to join in this digital business. So once I learned that they're in the business already,
Si
I
Grace
know,
sorry.
kumbaga, magiging skeptical man ako, but that skepticism is already kumbaga overpowered na because of my siblings, na hindi naman sila talaga basta-basta magjo-join ng any kind of business na hindi legit or something na is not proven. Especially Ate Meg, she is very meticulous sa mga ganyan. So but it started with Miss E, you know, and then when I heard Ate joining as well, it like a confirmation for me that it's time to join. And they're there during that time, when Dad passed away. After that, then I started the business, which is like lahat kami nagtulungan kasi we have that word ohana in Hawaii. It means like a family, nobody left behind. So all of us is like we're trying to lift up. So walang iwanan kumbaga. So I'm thankful for this business kasi who knows, I might be a very soon job quitter, although I never reach anything. But if I'm going to focus in this business, I know I would reach something, and I will be looking forward, like what they say, that eyes on the prize. Siguro struggle is real for the first, but along the way you will learn, and the growth is there. And I'm thankful also that being out of my comfort zone, and I'm not a public speaking figure person, but I tried and I did it. And I would like to shout out for my our lead mentor sa Visionaries team, si Miss E, na our bunso, na never ending ang support, the unconditional support and love, na keep pushing, and the everyday inspiration and the motivation. Ate, kaya mo yan, ate, ganito. And then kahit minsan ini-ignore ko na sila, still the yung consistency sa kanila na word nandyan talaga, and the urge na they're trying to drag you to, kumbaga drag na papataas, hindi papababa. So talagang aakayin nila ako na parang walang iwanan. So I'm so thankful for that one kasi it's not that easy. Minsan may pagka-stubborn din ako, I admit that. Pero we learn from it. And then as days goes by, yung thinking na being in this business is kumbaga grateful na ako, thankful na ako, especially in this Team Visionaries and in this community, from the support of our coach and to the community. At saka, we are here kasi as family, which is it's a blessing for me as well, having that extended family, kumbaga. So, that's it for everyday life, family, and business again. And looking forward to travel for our siblings' goal and because of this business. Thank you.
Very good ka dyan, Sis J. Alam mo naman, Ate Meg will always be here for you guys. Kahit ano pang mangyari, I am so much willing to itaya ang buhay para sa inyo. Anyway,
Wow.
pampagaan lang ng loob yun. But anyway, guys, before tayo mag-proceed, I just need to shout out Coach Anne-Marie is in the house. Salamat sa suporta, Coach. Maayang gabi sa imuha. And then, meron pa tayo dito si Melvin and Maritas Fiesta. Thank you so much, brother and sister, for coming in, hopping in sa aming segment tonight. And sabi pa ni Sis Ruthie, Ate Meg, matagal ko na hinihintay ang amping letter. Ha ha ha, love the Go Siblings. Solid talaga, nakaka-inspire kayo. Thank you so much, love. Sige lang langga. Ipadala ko sa imo ang letter kay para maging official sa na ampon. Okay, anyway, we are so thankful for our 8 million viewers wherever you are. Salamat, Coach Ann, for your support. Anyway, so moving on to our lead mentor kay Sis Lane. Ano naman ang gratefulness
Natin ang
mo sa life and business? And of course, I'm gonna give you the floor kung anong masasabi mo, your message to the visionaries as well. Okay?
Oh, okay. Intro pa lang na. No, kidding aside, it's a wow year. Let's go to life and business. Thank you again for allowing us and the visionaries to be here in your third episode. It is such a timely manner to be here because that's what Thanksgiving is all about, being grateful. And we have to start in our own and spreading it outwards, right? So this year, it's such a journey. It's such a journey in life, in business. It's a mix of every single thing. I have so much to be thankful for. First and foremost, thankful for my life, the life that I have, the life that God gave me. Shout out to Papa G up there. I sometimes question myself how deserving I am to have all the blessings na talaga namang, guys, don't forget to pray because your prayers is always heard. And it will always come at the right time. And this year, sabi ko nga, what are you grateful for? It's really the unexpected blessings that I receive or my family received this year. Syempre, hindi na natin sabihin, but my God, Lord knows exactly the desires of our heart and we have it. Kaya minsan napapa-stop na lang ako at napapa-wow on how grabe si Lord. hindi siya bingi sa ating mga, sa kanta pa, hindi natutulog ang Diyos. Kaya,
He never sleeps.
Yes. So, yes, and of course, my incredible supportive people in my life that includes first my husband. He's my partner, very supportive. And I know for sure that I'm blessed with that because not everybody has it. So I'm keeping mine intact. For my kids, what's been a source of motivation, syempre, sa lahat ng mga nanay dyan, alam ko na you have the same feelings, right? Sa mga times na medyo doubtful tayo sa buhay, lumingon lang tayo sa mga anak natin, babalik at babalik ang ating mga pangarap sa buhay, nagkakaroon ng spark. And then, to my in-laws, thank you because of course I don't have a sister Meg that is like that, and then si Aloha G, wala pa naman akong in-law sa aking sister Gracie, sa brother ko na in-laws. I'm grateful because at the end of the day, you became their partners. Ganon yon. And to my sister-in-law, that's very supportive. Only one sister-in-law in my husband's side. Tsaka, of course, aside from that, kahit nasa heaven ang mom and dad, reason why I found this business, grateful ako sa mga chances of support nila, sa pag-believe nila. Sa community natin, si Mommy Dags and Daddy Joe are the living parents na talagang inampon pati ang solid go siblings. Yan ang aking in-laws. Never hesitated to really take the role to be our parents. So we are all grateful for that. Next is the business. Business, I'm not gonna be sanely like this if it's not because of the business who gave me a diversion road to be where I am today and to fulfill the opportunities to grow, learn, and everything else. I think life has its own route. It will route you to something which you are meant to really be. And connected to people na talagang hindi mo inasa. Itong mga people na ito, di ba? Hihingi ka ng ano, biglang, ay, ano pala, amo niya pala yung mga popular na mga rapper, si Glock 9. Hindi mo naman alam, di ba? Si Sheila, iba din ang kanyang something. Yung mga engineers na mga ka-business partner natin, architect, mga nurses dito, doktor, nasasama mo. Very grateful because it's diverse ang ating mga business partners dito. And most especially, of course, to Coach who made me strong when it comes to the leadership na talagang, oh, you have to build your motivation, ganun talaga. So, and then moments and everything. So, this year reminded me so much. And of course, to Meg for being my accountability partner. I've always told that. Kasi pag yung ibang mga kasama natin sa bahay hindi nakikinig, I'll pass it on to her. I will tell her. But anyway, yun ang ating, you have to have accountability partner. To my dog, to the dog of Sophia, hello naman sa aming bear. Minsan nakakalimutan, but it's a source of joy. And yun, I think that's mostly I'm grateful for. And sa mga bagay na pwede nating ma-help sa mga tao, this year reminded me of gratefulness, gratitude. You know, gratitude shifts a lot, everything. Kasi pag grateful ka talaga, yung akala mong hindi natutupad lang siya nang nandyan lang. So it's been a year of blessing, growth, and so much love talaga, and beyond excited to share with everyone. So ngayon, ang bonggang message ko sa Team Visionaires. Thank you, Pulse Check, Meg, and Tin for giving this opportunity to really cater what the Visionaires can do. You know, not just for the team, but what the Visionaires mission and vision. I just want to take the moment to say how proud I am each and every day. Of course, sometimes as human being and as just Miss E by myself, you don't see me doubting myself, but I will always be showing that I can do it, we can do it. This year has been really about growth, resilience, and pushing, you know, boundaries talagang to the highest level, like Christine and Meg, Aloha G, and everyone else. Ipupush ko pa yan sila Juvie, you know, and the newbies out here, and Sheila to be out there. And you know, everybody shown with so much heart and determination. So yun ang ganda ng loob as a lead mentor. So our mission as Visionaires isn't just about reaching goals, right, guys? Hindi lang naman ito. It's about inspiring each other. We are lifting each other up and proving that actually success is journey we take together. So again, let's keep dreaming big kasi we have a big Lord. We have a big God. So we have to dream big. Okay? So staying consistent and supporting one another as we build not just a business but legacy para sa mga anak natin and para sa sarili natin. So I think remember every step forward, no matter how small, ano nga yon is a victory. Kaya Team Visionaries, just go, go, go from Miss E. Yun lang.
Ay, that's really good, no? You have to, one step forward is always a step closer to your goal. And at the same time, dream big. Sabi nila, dream big, pero as long as God can fit into it. So wala talaga, malawak talaga yung dapat nating, pwede nating ma-dream, lalo na pag we have God sa ating mga dreams. Kaya sobrang proud ako sa Visionaires. So kailangan ko ulit i-play yung ating video.
Welcome to the Visionaires, a global team on a mission to lift each other up and create a future filled with freedom and success in the digital business world. Our purpose is to inspire, connect, and empower as we work together to turn our dreams into reality. At the helm of our team is Elaine from Texas, whose visionary leadership sparked the creation of this incredible community. She imagined a team rooted in care, collaboration, and a shared vision for success. And together, we've brought that dream to life. At the heart of the Visionaires is our powerful symbol, an eye. This eye represents our vision, focus, and forward-thinking approach to everything we do. Inside the eye, a small heart reminds us of the care, passion, and support we share in each other's journeys. And woven through it all is a smile, because joy and positivity are at the core of our mission. Together, we see the future with clarity, driven by our passion and an unwavering commitment to helping each other thrive. Representing Texas, our leaders Elaine and Coach Gemma, together with Grazi and Sophia, inspire us with their vision, resilience, and belief in the power of collaboration. From Florida, Meg is the perfect blend of inspiration, creativity, and positivity, always spreading joy and supporting the team. And from the beautiful islands of Hawaii, Geraldine brings a calm strength and a joyful spirit, dedicated to helping others succeed. From the Philippines, our amazing members, May, Chill, Rommel, Elsie, Edith, Dem, Sheila, and Juvi, who embody our mission, always lifting others and creating new opportunities for success. Down in Australia, Christine is an inspiring force, driven, compassionate, and a true believer in the power of community. From Singapore, Anne is dedicated to success and ready to show the world her incredible potential. As the Visionaires, we are more than just a team. We are a community fueled by passion, care, and a shared vision for the future. Together, under Elaine's leadership, we have the clarity, support, and drive to achieve greatness, because we know that by lifting each other up, we all rise. Let's make our dreams a reality together.
O, di ba? Nakaka-proud. Di ba? I'm so proud of the Visionaires. So we miss Pogs, we miss Sis Ann, Chill and May, Engineers Chill and May. Sino pa bang na-miss natin? Dems, Elsie, and yun, no? So anyway, guys, nako, papuntang malapit, hindi pa malapit sa medyo medyo napahaba ngayon ang Megan 10 pulse check because remember, meron tayong contest. So I want the Visionaires team na andito pa para, you know, when I announce the winner, andito pa kayo, and then share natin yung blessings natin sa iba, right? So anyway, kaya bago tayo mag-exit, I'm gonna announce the big winners. Dalawang winners, guys. Kasi ang hirap talaga mag-decide. You know, we are announcing the big winners for our What Are You Thankful For in 2024. So, I just wanna share to everyone na ang big winners. Dalawang categories kasi we categorize it into two. So, the winners will receive a cash prize of $30 each. So dalawa yon. And then we are very grateful for our other team members who have submitted their entries. Kaya meron silang $10. Baka mamali yung aking sabi. Baka $10 each sa lahat ng nag-submit ng kanilang entries. Okay? So anyway, guys, are you ready? Ay, nako. Ito yon, dag.
Drum roll!
Choco na lang. And, eto na.
Wow!
Congrats, Job!
We have
Burger naman dyan.
Congrats,
we
Job!
have two categories. The first one,
Nakita ko
ang
yung
hirap
pangalan ko.
kasi, ang hirap talaga mag-decide. So we decided na,
Thank you.
okay, kailangan natin i-categorize. So the first category, Heartfelt Gratitude Award, again goes to Alex from the USA. Hello. And then yes, congratulations. And then Life and Business Blessings Award goes to si Juby from the Philippines. All right. Pero bago yan, wag muna kayong aalis, guys, because ito yung ating Alex.
Moments of gratitude in life and business. Gratitude often feels like a quiet force that quietly propels me forward. While I can't ignore the challenges I've faced, I also recognize the incredible strength, love, and support that surround me. I'm not just surviving, I'm thriving in ways that will leave a lasting impact for years to come. Even in the midst of overwhelming obstacles, the courage and resilience I've found in myself have allowed me to balance my roles as a mother, a nurse, and a cancer patient. The love I have for my children and the dreams I hold for their futures are what motivate me to keep going, even when everything seems to pull me in different directions. Each new day is a testament to the resilience within me. My children are my greatest gift. Watching them grow and thrive despite the hardships we've faced fills me with an immense sense of joy and gratitude. Even at my most vulnerable, I found strength through this business, giving me hope for a brighter future and a fresh start for both myself and my children. Through this business, I have found another family that supports each other for success. This opportunity has shown me that hard work and faith in the process can lead to real transformation. It's allowed me to connect with others on a deeply human level, pushing me outside of my comfort zone. Being vulnerable, though challenging, has opened the door for me to receive the support of those who truly care. A community that are full of positive mindset, love, and support for each other for success. There is power in embracing my whole self and allowing others to share in my journey. It's comforting to know that I don't have to carry everything alone. While the future may be uncertain, I trust there is always hope for what lies ahead. Every step I take, whether it's toward healing, treatment, or simply showing up for my children, builds a foundation for a future full of possibilities. My story isn't just about survival, it's about strength, resilience, and unwavering hope. The future I'm creating, alongside my children and our business community, will be filled with growth, joy, and new beginnings. For all of this, I am deeply grateful It has made me stronger and more confident in my ability to navigate this journey on my own.
Diba?
Yes,
Again,
very
Sis
heartfelt.
Alex. Yes, congratulations.
Congratulations.
So that's why nilagay namin into the category of heartfelt gratitude. So that was a very nice entry, nakakaano talaga no, antig ng puso. But a part of it all, it's the strength, the resilience na sa pinagdaanan ni Sis Alex na pagtagumpayan niya, and then she's continued to stay strong as a person, as a nurse, and also a digital business owner. Kaya, God bless you, Sis Alex. Anyway, so ngayon naman, Life and Business Blessings Award kay Sis Juvie. Ano kaya mangyayari? I'm gonna read it to you. Alright, so ito yung entry ni Sis Juvie. So sana mapagtagumpayan ko Sis Juvie. Alright. Hello po. Ito entry ko. Hehehe. Hi, ako nga pala si Maria Juvie Arguta na tinatawag na Juvines ng mga amo ko at Aa ng bunsong alaga ko. Ako ay 14 years ng yaya sa pamilya ni Glock 9 na araw-araw kong ipinagpapasalamat na sila ang amo ko. Super grateful ako sa 2024 kasi ang daming ganap. Bakasyon dito, bakasyon doon. Boracay, Japan, first time, at Hong Kong, at approved US visa last October, then book ticket na papuntang LA sa December. Isa pa sa ipinagpapasalamat ko ng sobra ay ang pagiging business owner ko this September na I think umabot ako ng 2 years to decide kung papasukin ko ba, which is why I am very grateful kasi nagawa ko this year at na-meet ko incredible people who are always there with their helping hands like Coach Gemma, lead mentor, vlogger, Miss E, Miss Meg, ay kasali ako, Sis Tin, Sis Gracie, Sis Sheila, at iba pa who inspired me to keep going. Sobra akong nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat kasi you are all keeping me inspired. Ako ang inyong yayapreneur na slowly but surely my eyes is on the prize for this business. Thank you.
Good
Wow!
job.
Kaya napili namin siyang
Mhm.
winner for life and business blessings kasi awardee kasi it took her
Love
2
it.
years and her journey of being a yayapreneur, ang daming blessings na really dumating sa buhay niya, including this business. Kaya congratulations, Jubei!
Congratulations!
Thank you po.
Congrats, Ju.
Congratulations! I would like to say thank you to Sis Tin pala for reading
Reading.
Sis Alex. Kaya hindi talaga natin na-miss, no? Hindi natin na-miss si Sis Tin sa episode at segment na to. Kaya, those who will be receiving the $10 na mga runner-up natin, hindi sila talunan. Runner-up natin kasi walang talunan. I'm
Walang
so
uwing
grateful.
luhaan.
Me and Tin, we are both grateful that you guys, you deserve to be recognized sa inyong mga entries. Ang hirap kasi mag-decide, ha? So, we have $10 for Jennifer Hinahon! Daxi Espirito! Wena Banayad at saka si Sis Grace Benrud. Thank you for sharing your stories and for being a sport. I appreciate me and Tin, we both appreciate all of you for joining in the contest. All right. So magbababay na talaga ako sa Team Visionaires. But anyway, in behalf of Tin, I would like to say thank you. Grateful talaga ako for, you guys being with me in this segment number 3. Kahit wala si Tin, hindi din natin siya na-miss. And I hope na you continue to work on the business. All the blessings sa inyo, sa lahat, sa family. And wag sumuko. Tapos, just stay strong. Resilient na tinatawag. Kahit ano pang dagok ng buhay, always look at the good side of everything kasi may patutunguhan talaga tayo. We have remember always na ang vision natin as a visionaire, right? Look at the mission and vision. Make sure that you look at your vision boards para ma-inspire kayo every day and make it as your reminder every single day. And other than that, just continue to be you. Ano talaga, tawag nito, a lot of prayers. And I wish you all the best. At saka Thanksgiving filled with love and joy. Andito lang si Ate Meg, anytime. Isang tawag, isang message, andito lang ako para sa inyo. Okay? And I love you guys. I thank all the visionaries na pumunta ngayon. At kahit wala pa sila, andito lang sila in spirits. Salamat sa inyo for gracing our segment number 3. I'm really so proud to be a visionaire. Kaya magbababay na ako sa inyo.
Sandali,
Kasi-
sandali,
Ano
sandali,
yun?
sandali.
Picture.
Kasi Thanksgiving ngayon.
Oh.
So, meron lang ako talaga na mag-share ng screen kung okay lang.
Go
So,
ahead.
try ko lang mag-share ng screen.
Okay.
And, nakikita niyo na ba? I-add mo na
Okay,
lang.
I'm at the stage. Okay.
And I would like to also, hindi pwedeng tayo lang mga ka-team ang meron. Siyempre, we have to also try to show something para kay Meg and Tin. And I hope you guys will like this. So,
Hi, Chris.
Oh.
Just to tell you that we, your parents, are so blessed to have you as our daughter. Since you were born hanggang ngayon for 38 years, never in a single moment na binigyan mo kami ng sakit ng ulo sa pagpapalaki sa'yo. At hanggang ngayon, may sariling pamilya ka na. Siguro sa mga teachers mo, baka sumakit ulo nila sa'yo kasi may pagka-stubborn ka. Walang gray color sa'yo. They are either black or white. Pag ayaw, ayaw. Pag oo, oo. Joke. You are so focused, determined, disciplined pag meron kang goals at kahit na napapagdaanan mo ang katakot-takot na hirap, hindi alatado. You maintain a calm stance. Kahit nung grade 1 ka pa at hindi namin akalain na ikaw ang panlaban sa damat hanggang national level. Sa piano naman, lagi kang inferior sa ate at kuya mo. Pero nakakarating ka sa national level sa NAMSA. Sa mga kapatid mo, you are so generous. At alam namin na kahit simot na ang pera mo, you still manage to shell out to help them. Na-witness din namin ang self-sacrificing love mo sa iyong mga anak. And we are very confident that you will give the best for our Aisen and Kiana sa lahat ng makakaya mo. We are always praying for you and your family, that God always give you strength, good health, peace of mind, and succeed in all your endeavors in life. God bless, always, anak. We love you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Ay, that's
Yes.
nice.
that's for Christine. And, of course, this is for Meg.
This is Kuya as well.
Okay, hold on.
Hello, this is Chandler, and also this is Kuya as well, who texted me what he wanted him to say. Some things that I am super thankful for, especially about my mother, is the fact that she is my mother and that she is who she is, and I'm glad that she was the person that she was, because there's nothing I'd change about her because she's my mother. And number one, she'd be very angry at me if I told her that, oh no, you need to change. Second is that I'm very happy she hasn't changed, and I'm very happy that she's continuing her path of success, finding her happiness, and all while making sure that she takes care of her family as well. And we're very happy that we've had such a strong mother to guide us and to take care of us, even when she was at her lowest. And I think that's what I am most thankful for, and what we are most thankful for as well. So we love you, Mom, and happy Thanksgiving.
Hello.
So yes, you can remove the screen na lang.
Thank you for that. And for sure, Tin will be surprised because she's not really expecting, a message from dad. And hopefully that would make her day. I know that she wanted to be with us tonight, but kailangan din talaga natin na ma-fulfill yung ating mommy duties. So, pinagtagumpayan naman ni Ate Meg. And hopefully that you guys were so inspired with our segment tonight with our Team Visionaries. Kaya ang saya-saya talaga ng Team Visionaries pag nagkakasama. Kulang lang kami ngayon. Kaya guys, I really appreciate all you for coming in and joining us tonight. Kahit ang hirap pa si Sheila galing lang sa school ng anak. Si Juvie, tulog pa ang alaga. Si Sis Geraldine, it's a different time zone doon sa tawag nito sa Hawaii. At saka ang hirap din talaga ng CST time kay Sis Elaine at saka kay Sis Gracie, pero napagtagumpayan nila. Kaya thank you so much for everyone. Yay!
Good job, sis. Good job.
Yes, thank you. And all of our viewers and future viewers, salamat talaga.
Burger naman dyan ang na-winner.
Burger.
Jollibee. Jollibee.
Burger.
Yes,
Masal pala.
pasasalamat sa inyo
Maraming
magkakapatid.
salamat.
Sarap ng may feeling pag may ate. Ampunin na rin kita. Congrats sis Alex and
Opo.
Juby. Thank you.
Kasi wala akong ate.
God bless to all of us in Visionaries. Yes. Si Sheila, shout out to our lead mentor Lenny. We are immensely blessed with your life. Sabi pa ni Sis Juby, kasama na kami sa Ampon. O sige na, gagawa tayo ng Ampon House. Anyway, guys, I have to say thank you and good night to all of you. Kasi medyo
Thank you.
yung natin, yung episode natin.
Good job,
Happy
good job.
Thanksgiving. Love you all.
Salamat.
Good job, sis. Good job.
Thank
So
you.
much happy Thanksgiving.
Salamat.
Happy Thanksgiving din dyan.
Happy Thanksgiving. Thank you, Ning.
Kain
Thank you,
na na.
everyone. Remove. Okay, pero mag-standby pa yan sila kasi may meeting pa kami after. Anyway, guys, papunta na tayo sa last part ng ating Meg and Tin, and hoping that, we were able to give you some inspiration and motivation tonight. Thank you for staying with us, 5 million viewers. And before ako magbababay, i-up muna natin si Tin sa stage.
We are so grateful for our team being united as one in this segment. And happy Thanksgiving, Team Visionaries. So as we reflect on all the blessings in our lives, I want to extend an invitation to you, everyone, to explore an amazing opportunity that has brought so much fulfillment and freedom into our lives. Whether you are looking to spend more time with your family, pursue your dreams, or create something new for yourself, this business has been a way for us to achieve that balance. And today, I'm truly grateful for the journey and the amazing people I've met along the way, and I'd love to share it with you. So, if you're ready to take a step toward more flexibility and purpose in your life, I invite you to register on my website. Just visit www.christinedv.com to register, learn more, and join us on this journey. And so, to each of you here watching now and maybe later, thank you for being part of our life. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Thanks for joining us for this purpose-driven, uplifting live where we are all about sharing skills and empowering each other to thrive.
Thank you, Tin. Anyway, andito na talaga tayo. Magbababay na talaga tayo, no? But before I do that, salamat sa parting words mo, Tin. So, it's Meg once again, everyone. If you're a busy professional, a parent wanting more family time, or someone looking for a change, this digital business could be exactly what you need or what you're looking for. Or if you're a nurse, full-time nurse, and you wanted a side hustle, just like me, you can probably resonate with me or Tin. You can always go to my website. It's www.megdigitalventures.com. All you need to do is just register your name and email, and you will get a link for a replay for our info session, free on registration. And then hopefully that you'll be able to be inspired with our panelists on their presentation and how the business has changed their lives. Okay, so here's why it works for people from all walks of life. No need to have a business background. We have a step-by-step system to guide you. We also have 24/7 training and support, and we have a coaching and mentoring program available for you. So as a nurse and a mom, I've been able to balance my life while building something meaningful. So baka makaresonate din kayo. So just register lang sa aking website, okay? So anyway, guys, you're right, Tin. Kailangan talaga nilang mag-register sa websites natin, and hopefully that I'll see you guys in the inside, and you always tawag nito, andito lang kami. You can always message us, either Meg or Tin, and we are more than willing to guide you to start your own digital business journey, okay? So everyone, remember to make Pulse Check a part of your Sunday. Bye! Thank you so much, everyone.